The mouse is used extensively throughout OMNI Workshop for interacting with data and with windows. In the project window, the mouse is used to expand and collapse the project tree. It's also used to toggle the visibility of items in the project tree. If they have a red X, that means they're not visible. That means they're in the project tree, but they won't be plotted in the windows. For instance, right now surveys are visible, now they're invisible. Or shots within the surveys are not visible, now they're visible. Same with receivers. On the data objects themselves within the project tree, if you right-click, then you bring up a menu. And that's pretty much common throughout OMNI Workshop. If you want to see a menu, right-click on something. For instance, in the Edit window, if you right-click, it brings up a menu which allows you to change the mouse mode. Now we're in a zoom mode. If we drag out an area by depressing the mouse and releasing, we can zoom in. As you see in the thumbnail here, this is the viewable area and this is the overall area. Now we can go into a pan mode and we can drag this through here. We can also use the thumb to move it around like that. If we want to bring it back to full size, we can double click, and each double click brings it out one more zoom level. We can also pan within the axes. We can right click and change that to a zoom. We can right click and choose full view from the menu and go back to the way we were. Those zooming features are pretty common throughout most of the views here. When you're running certain wizards, then you go into a specific mouse mode, such as when we're selecting stations. If we select a group of stations, then it goes into a polygon mode, where we draw out a polygon by clicking the mouse. If I made a mistake and I want to go back, I can hold the delete key down and click, and it will remove points. And I can put it the way I want, and then to finish, I double click, and all the points in there have been selected. When I'm selecting, if I want to select more than one area, I can hold the shift key down while I do this, and then I get the combination of the two areas. Also, I can use the mouse to get help on just about anything in here as well, using the context help. Whenever I see this icon, I can click it, change my mouse to a question mark, and click and get help on that item. That's pretty much how you use a mouse in OMNI Workshop.